conduct various kinds of online programs for students during this pandemic situation. So it is to ensure that students learn continuously without many obstacles to achieve the target of developing their skills, knowledge, and attitudes.
Thank you, Dr. Fernando.
In the future.
So, Dr. Fernando, thank you. Thank you for sharing your time from Sri Lanka and sharing the Sri Lankan story. And now we have next session.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. And now we have next session, and the next session is based on competency, internationalism, and sustainability. And we have inspiring speakers, Mahesh Balakrishnan, Development and Recognition Manager, International Baccalaureate IB in India, and Dr. Mahesh Srivastava, Regional Director, South Asia, Cambridge Assessment and International Education, and Sri Gautam Bhattacharya, Research Fellow, Grades 2nd SCRT, West Bengal, and Dr. Dulal Dey, Secretary of Tripura Board of Secondary Education, and Dr. Jonathan Lari Namavia, Academic Officer, Mizoram Board of School Education. So I welcome all the speakers, and our first speaker is Mahesh Balakrishnan. Welcome, Mahesh ji.
Thank you. Namaskar.
Yeah.
And I hope all of you have been safe.
Yes.
First of all, I would like to applaud all the educators for the wonderful work they have done during the pandemic. Okay, you all and we all deserve that applause. So, and especially for the teachers who adapted very well to the situation. Okay, and thank you, Green Mentors, for having me here. International Curriculum for a Better World, yes, and it rings very well with the IB philosophy of making the world a better place through education by developing active, compassionate, and lifelong learners. So the IB continuum of international education is delivered through the IB mission statement of making the world a better place through education, primarily through developing active, compassionate, and lifelong learners, through the IB learner profile attributes, which I'll be talking about very shortly, and ensuring quality standards throughout the globe, over 150 countries, over 5,000 schools, through its wonderful programs, standards, and practices. We have 4 programs, right from 3 years of age to all the way up to 19. We have the primary years program from 3 years of age, which spans the early years and the primary years, as well as the middle years from grade 6 to grade 10, the IB diploma at grade 11 and 12. And like how Mr. Fernando was speaking about IT and other things, we have the wonderful career-related program at grade 11 and 12 also as a choice for students who want to follow their passion of joining, be it sports or technology like AI or event management industry. They can live their passion and they get grounded by their experiences and internship while they are at school itself. So what is an IB education about? It is focused on the learners, inquiry-based learning, driven by conceptual understanding, building skills. And we always have had the focus on your second language and third languages, what we call multilingualism, and a great awareness about intercultural divides. Okay, so we are divided, yet we are unified. Intercultural awareness is very important. Global engagement, yet local or national. So that's the beauty about the IB, that you could deliver the IB curriculum in a very local or national context. You could be delivering an NCERT curriculum in an IB school. That's the beauty about it. And the content is rigorous, yet very interesting. So we have been talking about global for vocal or vocal for local, right? So similarly, I would say that an IB education gives that opportunity for you to deliver it in an international or a global context, yet being very local if you wish. I mentioned about the IB learner profile, which is very important, and it's not limited to these 8 or 10 traits. You could add more based on your local situation, but these are the 8 or 10 important traits our learners strive to be. Inquirers. We believe in curiosity, sparking of that curiosity, because we all want to be innovators, knowledgeable through the academics, thinkers, critical thinking skills, communication, principled. It's very important. Open-minded. We should be willing to accept the other point of view or opinions, yet have a carrying side to us. Risk takers. It's okay to do mistakes. We should learn to get up and walk again. Balanced, and we have to be reflective. These are the wonderful IB learner traits, what is delivered through our education. And we want our learners, our teachers, our educators to also display at least some of these, if not all, traits. We've been talking a lot about the NEP. The NEP aligns very well with the IB. At an early years, we talk about discoverers in the NEP. IB has always had that inquirers. So inquirers focus on literacy, focus on numeracy. And of course, IB has always laid stress on teacher training. We call it professional development. It is mandatory and it's continuous development. And there are many opportunities for teachers to undergo continuous development, both in school, online, and with our regional workshops, conferences, buddy school concepts, and so on and so forth. The IB MYP program focuses on connecting the dots between the classroom and the real world. It's a very wonderful program for middle school. The practitioners enjoy it. Again, it can be delivered in a local context or in an international context. We have the world famous IB diploma or the career programs, again, very aligned with the NEP, where we talk about giving students the subject choices, doing away with academic streams. A student studying psychology can do arts. A student can do mathematics with other subjects, and of course, following their passion. Just a bit on our IB primary years program. It focuses on the development of the whole child as an inquirer, both in the classroom and in the world outside. It's an inclusive program, a curriculum framework of essential elements, knowledge, concepts, skills, attitude, and action. Transdisciplinary, the NEP also talks about transdisciplinary or interdisciplinary. We already have that. And we have a wonderful PYP exhibition where the student gets a chance to display what he or she has learned in the classroom. It's a transformative and caring approach. And more wonderfully, the teachers become the designers of learning in the classroom or the learning spaces. It's not just syllabus delivery. It's beyond that. It's about helping or architecting or facilitating the learning which students or children undergo. Schools enjoy a flexible framework that helps to adapt to different cultures and contexts globally. We have schools in very rural areas. It's a myth that IB schools exist only in metros. We have schools from North India all the way to South India, East or West, where schools are existing in a rural area or beyond the metros. Okay, so that is the importance of an IB education. 6 transdisciplinary themes, each selected for the relevance of the real world. We encourage student agency, giving students voice, choice, and ownership. Assessment is ongoing, different ways. And like I said, the PYP exhibition for children to showcase their passion, to collaborate, and to have a community-wide celebration of their learning journey. The IB Middle Years program, again, continues that journey and gives students a chance to embrace and understand the connection between traditional subjects and the real world, and also become critical thinkers. Today, companies are hiring not for their academic knowledge. They are looking at whether these people are good storytellers. They can solve problems in a team together. They can collaborate. They can think critically. Can they bring a different viewpoint? And an IB education helps students to prepare for a world after high school, be it university or industry. We have planners for units of work, very interdisciplinary. And of course, like all of our programs, there's a personal project and a community project. At grade 10, which is equal to our 10th board, both AIU and COPSI recognize our IB MYP. It's an on-screen exam for mathematics, language and literature, sciences, individuals and societies, interdisciplinary. Then students do a lot of coursework as well in terms of language acquisition, the arts, the design, and of course, a very wonderful MYP personal project. It is electronic. It is not online. Let me clarify that. Okay. So schools with low bandwidth internet connectivity can also take the MYPE assessment very comfortably. We develop well-rounded young people and citizens, and the MYP benefits from a globally recognized research-based program, high quality professional development available for your teachers, and it is a bridge. It's a wonderful bridge between a primary years curriculum as well as the high school or the senior secondary education. The IB diploma is of course well known globally, preparing students for success at university and beyond. There are 6 subject groups. You have the language, literature, you have the individuals and societies, you have the mathematics, both applied and analytical, you have the sciences, you have the arts, and students from India can take 3 sciences if they have to prepare for NEET. And a very wonderful IB core, which includes a 4,000 word essay, theory of knowledge, a 1,600 word critical right, and of course the creativity, action and service, which involves students being involved in community action or a service learning or an activity over 2 years. It could involve students going and serving in say an old age home, building roads, cleaning villages, cleaning the beach. There could be different activities a student can undertake as part of the CAS. The DP highlights broad, balanced, flexible, and develops pre-university skills, and there's a focus on reflection through the CAS and other activities. Across different studies, researchers have found that the DP curriculum compares favorably, and students tend to do very well at an undergrad level, and they actively contribute to campus life. It's not just about education, it's much more than that. They go on to help other students as well. They assist in research, they join clubs, they have break years, and students also ensure that they have and they clear the plagiarism checks, which are very much required. And IB assessments are strong predictors of university performance. This has been proven by multiple research. You can go on to our website and have a look at that. The IB Careers Program is a fast, popular program, getting rapid attention in India. Okay, it has got a core where students can interview a person, they can make web pages, they can do a 3,000 word essay. They have to compulsorily intern in either an industry or an organization for a minimum of 2 weeks. They solve a community problem, and they also take some subjects from the IBDP as well as going on for a career related study. I'll give an example. We have event management is becoming very popular around the world, more so in India. And what we are talking about is students preparing for a career in event management. Say if you look at IPL as a event, right? The IPL action just happened. The IPL auction just happened. The action is yet to come in, and students can prepare for it. They could even intern with an IPL team. So WACP is one of our partners, and they are offering choices in event management, in career management, in sports management, and so on and so forth. We have the CP core and the diploma subjects. So students can have a career in sports, events, or other things, including data science, AI, and so on and so forth. Just wanted to share with you that World Academy of Sports is a leading global body. They work with Olympians, Asian game medalists, and so on and so forth. They prepare students for an afterlife in terms of international sports management. They offer sports related programs, and they have a tie-up with Federation University of Australia. So a student can choose to be in India yet study online with Federation University. That's the beauty. And they can go on to look at a career. Everybody gets inspired by, say, an Harsha Bogle. Okay, and we think, how can we join that or be that sports personality, be doing broadcasting or as an expert? The IBCP gives that pathway. With that, I would like to say thank you. You have been a wonderful audience, and all the best for the organizers. I hope I've stayed within the time limit, Jirendraji. If there are any questions, I would like to take it. Otherwise, I've given my credentials. People could write to me and I'm happy to reach out to them. If they reach out to me, I'm happy to respond to them. Thank you.
Krishna, Dr. Bhattacharya? No. So now we have next speaker again, Mahesh. So Mahesh Balakrishnan to Mahesh Srivastava. Mahesh Srivastava is Regional Director, South Asia, Cambridge Assessment International Education. So welcome Mahesh ji and share the story of the Cambridge, and your topic is creating ways and pathways to the world.
Thank you, Virenji.
Yeah.
It's a lovely coincidence that here I'm speaking after Mahesh Balakrishnan, and my name is again Mahesh.
Yes.
And same thing, we both talk here. We both represent international education in India.
Yes.
So lovely to hear you, Mahesh. Great, you have spoken fantastic on IB. So let me talk about what the competencies build around. And let me present my slide first.